In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the explode node. This node allows us to create new rows based on the unique values contained in an array. This can be helpful to extract information out of an array into a more usable form for further analysis. Here, in the explode node configuration pane, the only thing we need to do is to select the columns which we want to be exploded. In this case, we only have one array, and that is the one we will select to be exploded. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the node execution page, we can see that before the node explode has been executed, that the toppings column is made of a wrapped array that contains structs within it for each of the different toppings that are allowed for this donut, along with each of the IDs for each of the toppings for this donut. After the explode node is executed, we can see that we have now created more rows out of the values from the array. We are also creating a new column called topping_explode that contains each of the unique values that are represented within the topping array. Now we can use this for further analysis. Thank you for listening.